We've rolled out two changes to the Opportunities section, making personal pipeline views easier to set up and giving you more context at a glance with the addition of a new filter and selectable field. Let's learn how to use them. The Me filter can now be added to smart lists and smart tags. Let's learn how. Edit or create a pipeline. Head to the Smart Tag section and click Add Smart Tag. In the Add Rules section, select Owner or Follower. In the Value dropdown, select Me, then click Save. Alternatively, this can be added as a Smart List filter in the Opportunities section. Let's learn how to add this field to your Opportunities list view. Open Opportunities in List View and click Manage Fields. Toggle on Primary Contact Notes. Click Apply to save your changes. These updates remove the need to build a separate filter view per user, standardize My Opportunities across the team with a single shared definition, and provide faster context for prep before calls and daily triage. We hope you enjoy it.